Are you on LinkedIn and you're wondering why no one is liking, following, or even engaging with your post? Well, I'm going to give you 3 things that you must do today in order to actually get people to network with you. The right people, that is. So if you're ready to dig into LinkedIn, my name is Claudia Garcia. I have used LinkedIn as my main business development tool for over 7 years. And I've landed multiple 7-figure corporate contracts for my clients that continuously bring them in revenue. LinkedIn is the best place for B2B business development. And although you can sell direct to a consumer, it's a great place if you're actually selling to business owners, founders, entrepreneurs, and so on. So let me give you the 3 things that are super important when it comes to networking on LinkedIn. Number 1 is posting and engaging. So if you're going to show up and you're going to post, make sure that you respond and you comment back when other people post on your post. You want to immediately acknowledge the fact that they took the time to say something. If they sent your post off to their network with a repost, definitely tell them thank you. This is such a great opportunity to open up the conversation with people in the DMs. So this is a great way for you to do number 2, engage in the DMs. So how do you open up a conversation in the DMs with a stranger without being weird? Well, you don't want to actually be a complete stranger. I would say that you should be somebody that's already been under their radar, possibly has a lot of mutual connections, or they've commented on your stuff, you've commented on their stuff, you've actually followed them. There's been some activity where they've seen your name first before you connect. The next thing after the DMs, having conversations in the DMs, is actually going to be number 3, which is commenting. You want to comment on their post. You want to show that you're interested in what they're doing. Absolutely show up for them, cheer for them, repost their post if it's valuable to your network, but definitely show some interest. Don't let your networking be one-sided. Don't expect people to come running to you while you sit back and just wait. No. You need to actually give a little before you ask for anything. Now, if you're not already doing these 3 things, then you're missing out on a major opportunity to succeed on LinkedIn. So if you want to know exactly how I get clients on LinkedIn without being salesy or weird, I would love to tell you all about it in my LinkedIn Accelerator. It's a 5-day email course where I dive right into your inbox and coach you for anywhere from 20 minutes to 40 minutes a day for 5 days. After the 5 days, you're invited to join the LinkedIn Community Accelerator, which is open office hours where we give feedback to one another about LinkedIn and we answer one another's questions and, well, we just show up for one another. So if you're interested, I'd love for you to join. The link is in the description below. See you there. Thanks for watching, guys. Follow, subscribe, like, and do all the things.